Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I recorded this 3 times and every single time something wasn't recording. So here we go. This is take 3 of the Lazy Girl's Guide to Healthy Hair. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Lena and I'm a hair cutting specialist and I specialize in giving you healthy hair. I want to empower you to love your hair. I want you to rock your hair. I want you to enjoy your hair and I want you to make better decisions in terms of what products you should be using and how you should be caring for your hair. Here are 5 tips and I might throw in a 6th one, so stay tuned till the very end. So number 1, you want to keep your hair long. Short hair is so much maintenance. I love short hair. I've always had short hair my whole life. I love the bobs, I love the pixies, I love like the side pixies where it's like short on one side and long on the other side, but it is a lot of maintenance because as soon as your hair grows out, you're gonna have to go back in for a haircut and clean it up. Doesn't matter if you have a bob or if you have a pixie or any type of short hair tends to need a lot of maintenance. So if you're a lazy girl, long hair is your best friend because you can always just pull it up, you can curl it, it's a lot more forgiving, you can just throw in some dry shampoo, you can put a cap on or a hat and just kind of like hide, you know, any imperfections that aren't working that day. With short hair, especially like if you're gonna do a pixie, it's almost like you have to wash it every day and it is a lot of maintenance. You do need to go back to the salon every once in a while to clean up around your ears and the back. Oh my god, the worst is the grow out at the back of the nape of the neck. So I don't think I'll ever do a pixie again. And if I do, I might just have like a wig on standby for the grow out phase because I am not willing to go through that grow out again. It was terrible. And this is why guys are so picky about their hair. If you ever meet someone who has really short, you know, a traditional men's haircut, they're always picky about their hair because you can see all the details. It's not very forgiving. Long hair is much more forgiving. So yeah, keep it long if you are lazy. Number 2, you want to use professional hair products. There's a certain brand that starts with a P that we all know about that smells really good and it makes their hair really shiny. But, and I know this is only anecdotal evidence, but this I've seen it time and time again with myself and my clients. Every time that I've seen someone use it, it just makes the hair so greasy and weighed down by the second day. So it looks good for the first day, it smells amazing, and they always get you with the smell. Like these drugstore brands, like they smell so good, but they have so many waxes in them and they just make the hair like so greasy at the top, which is part of the plan because they want you to keep washing your hair. So having a professional brand to use, shampoo, conditioner, mask, leave-in products, like styling products, they know what they're meant to do. It's like when you go shopping for makeup, like today, I have some professional brands on, I have some drugstore products on, but when I want something that's gonna work, I'm gonna go to NARS, I'm gonna go to MAC for lipsticks, I'm gonna go to Stila for a liquid lipstick. If you want your hair products to just do their job, go with a professional brand. You can't go wrong. Okay, number 3, you want to use 3 products max in terms of styling products. Don't overwhelm yourself with the styling products. Don't just follow the trends that are on TikTok. You only need 3. I usually don't like to put in more than 3 products at a time for my clients. I feel like it can weigh the hair down after 3 products. So once you come out of the shower, you want to have a nice leave-in lotion of some sort that's like gonna hydrate and repair the ends. So you can use an Olaplex, I think it's a number 6, the cream, and I also like a nice oil. You can mix those 2 together and put them on the ends to really lubricate and hydrate the ends. And you want to do a spray, detangling spray that has a little bit of protein in it and just something that's going to be like an all-in-one leave-in conditioner for your hair that's going to make your hair feel really nice and supple. And then finally, like you would do like a texture spray for styling or a texture dry shampoo. One of my favorite products is the Moroccan Oil Dry Texture Spray, which adds a little bit of texture and also like adds a little bit of grit at your roots, which maximizes or like spaces out your washes as well. So if you're lazy, just get something that is gonna give you a little bit of texture. It makes the hair like nice and piecey. I love Bedroom Hair from Kevin Murphy, although the smell can be a little bit overpowering. But also Orbe has a similar one, something to like make your hair look fresh. Number 4, you wanna get a wand for special occasions because we're keeping our hair long, right? I do have another video all about wands and curling irons, so make sure you check that one out. This is the best kept secret when it comes to curling wands. This is the curl bar from Hot Tools. It is the most efficient, easiest way for you to refresh your style, and you just basically grab the hair and start twirling it. The heat distribution on this is amazing. It really does curl the hair beautifully. It can give you beautiful glam waves that looks like picture perfect. This is 1.25 inches. If your hair is really short like mine, you might want to get the inch. They are more expensive than regular curling irons. I'm not sure why. I feel like a lot of people don't know about them, but they're incredible because they're so easy on your elbow and they're so ergonomical. They're not gonna hurt you as you're like, you know, you're always like burning yourself when you're using a curling iron. They're so awkward when you're using them on yourself. This is what I would use for myself when I had long hair, and I absolutely love it. So get one of these for, you know, a style refresh day. You just throw in some like dry shampoo and like curl your hair and you're good to go. Number 5, this is the last one, but I feel like this is gonna be the most impactful, and that is to find a stylist that you like and get a haircut that you love. So one of my favorite haircuts for a really good grow out is a shag, but if you're not ready for a shag and you just want nice long hair and like easy hair, long layers are your best friend. So whenever we do long layers, I always like to focus on the front. I want to make sure that my client has layers that they like, that's flattering to their face. So always go a little bit shorter. So if you're comfortable with something at the chin, don't be afraid to go up a little bit longer, as long as it's flattering, obviously. I want you to go get your trim every 6 to 12 months. And that is my favorite thing to do with my clients. Like, I'll do a lot of texturizing and I use the razor to cut their hair and remove a lot of the weight so that their hair doesn't feel very heavy. And then they're welcome to come in once every 6 months to a year to refresh the layers. Also, don't salon hop, because if you change stylists a lot based on like what they're charging, or if you're like price shopping, you're going to ruin your hair. And not because the stylists are bad, but they may not know your hair. Once you find someone that you like, that understands you, that understands your hair, and you just keep going back to that person, I mean, given that they're good and they're giving you a consultation, they're asking you what you would like, and they're doing all the right things, don't change your stylist. Even if you have to drive out an hour to see your stylist, it's worth it, because that's your hair. I would hate for you to have to go for a wedding, or you have a conference to go to, or you need to go on a quick interview, for example, and you didn't get your hair done, and you didn't pre-book your appointment, and you are not feeling good about your haircut because you changed your stylist. I don't want that for you. Okay, I've decided to give you one more, and this is number 6. Keep your hair dark. This is one of the reasons I keep my hair dark. I really do want to be blonde, but blonde is a lot of maintenance, and if you're a lazy girl, you shouldn't be blonde. Blondes have their hairstylist on speed dial. You have so much maintenance to do. In the shower, you have to like do all these treatments, and you also have to use a toning shampoo of some sort, and you have to do leave-ins, more leave-ins than the average person, because blonding is going to dry out and damage your ends, and you have to constantly have it toned. If you enjoy the hair experience, which I'm sure you don't because you're watching this video, then you can go ahead and be blonde. But if you don't be blonde. Keep it dark. Another thing about dark hair is that it does reflect light better than light hair. Having dark hair actually makes it look healthier than if it's blonde. If my hair was blonde right now, it would be dull. There would be none of that shine there. And that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments if this helped you, and if you have any other tips or tricks that you want to share with our community here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.